Good afternoon, folks. It's Crazy Ira from Firkins, Chrysler, Jeep, and Dodge in Bradenton. I just took in a gorgeous 2013 Dodge Avenger. This is the SXT model. As you can see, it's white in color, has black leather interior, seating for 5. This is a one-owner car, has a clean Carfax. It will be a certified vehicle. This car has 4-wheel disc anti-lock. As you can see, it's got the alloy wheels. It's got the rear spoiler on the back. This car was bought here and serviced here. As you can see, this car is absolutely flawless. It has a driver's side power seat, has automatic headlight on and off system, power windows, power door locks, tilt, cruise, Bluetooth for your cell phone. This car only has 38,899 miles. It's rated at 20 city for fuel economy and 31 highway. It's the 3.6 liter Pentastar engine, preferred motor. Call me, Ira Salem, 845-304-3914. Find it at Firkins.